Cemex are a supplier of building materials throughout the UK. As a supplier to construction sites, health and safety is very important. So delivering product is probably a driver's main job, is out on the road 90% of the time. The road networks are very busy, very dangerous places, and because of that, road safety is paramount for everyone in our industry.
My daughter Alex was 26 and she was cycling to work in the city when she was run over by a left-turning concrete mixer lorry. 2 policemen told me that my daughter was dead. What happened to my daughter was absolutely horrific. And I know that she's not an isolated case. This does happen regularly to a lot of people, and it doesn't need to happen. We can prevent these things, and we must make prevention a priority.
The construction industry takes safety on sites very seriously. It's when we go out into the public domain and go out on the road where we see there's a gap. And that's why the industry set up CLOCS, which is Construction Logistics and Community Safety. And what that means to the public is companies like Cemex, as part of the CLOCS scheme, are working to make our roads safer.
This is the industry-leading safety truck. I'll show you some key features that differentiate it from a standard vehicle. For starters, it's got some key safety features. Reversing camera, there's a blind spot warning sign on it. You can see there's an extra indicator fitted to alert cyclists that the vehicle's turning. It's also got an audible alarm as well, which warns pedestrians or cyclists or other vulnerable road users the vehicle's in manoeuvre to turn left. If we walk further down the vehicle, you also see the ultrasonics. The ultrasonics, again, are there to alert the driver to anybody who's in the immediate presence of the vehicle if it's manoeuvring to turn. Now, if you look at the low cab, you can see fundamentally the vision on this vehicle is substantially better than a standard truck. The truck sits low, and if you look at the front of the vehicle, you can see, if I was stood in front of this vehicle and it was about to set off, the driver can see me by direct vision at virtually 0 distance from the cab. Now, on a standard vehicle, that was something like over 2 metres before I became visible. Now, if you look at the vehicle, it's also got various camera systems. It's got a camera system at the front. It's also got cameras on each side of the vehicle and on the rear, and also in cab that obviously observe the driver as well. And again, if we travel down the truck, you can see to the side guard and various protectors. I think it was accepted at one time that accidents happen, and I think there is a general change socially that means that as a group, as a community, we need to reduce those figures.
CLOCS has been a very valuable way of focusing on particularly construction vehicles because it was those that were disproportionately involved in the most serious and fatal collisions.
CLOCS is a voluntary scheme, but I urge all members of the industry to join in order to improve road safety.